Hey guys, it's Andrew Knight, and today I'm going to show you my Slatz UI for Android. This is kind of like a Windows Phone 8 sort of inspired thing. I actually made these tiles in Photoshop a couple of years ago. I used them in my Nook colour for a while, but then a new launcher has come out recently called Tile Launcher, which is basically a Windows Phone 8 sort of style, which you can actually sort of manipulate to scroll vertically rather than horizontally, and this makes it kind of cool. You can have these tiles here, and you've got some more down here for your sort of most used applications, and then if you scroll to the bottom, you've got this nice grid that you can customize with any application you want. So for example, if you want Chrome, you can just drag that, drop it onto there. You can then edit the tile here if you just hold on it, whack configure, and then you can delete the label, and then you get the sort of plain icon look, which I think looks really cool. I'm just going to remove that tile. The launcher itself is called Tile Launcher. It's for free at the moment and it's in beta. It is a little bit slow and buggy occasionally, although for this, just for this setup with just the one page, it's, as you can see, pretty fluid, and it sort of does everything you want it to do. The main issue at the moment is that you can't open the applications drawer via a widget, so you have to use another application which I'm using, which is called Folder Organizer, which just lets you actually access all your applications. You can see it is a little bit slow in that, just because it is a sort of separate application running on top of the launcher, but it works the purpose. And the actual idea behind the launcher means most of the applications I use on a day-to-day basis are either here in these sort of big tabs here, or down here at the bottom, which is, so I've got my games down here, I've got social up here, and obviously you can choose any applications you want to look like this. This does also work on phones. However, as you can see with the tablet, you've got the real estate, so you can sort of actually make use of having all these applications here, whereas on my 1X Plus I've only sort of got that amount of apps, so it sort of limits the functionality slightly. If you want to do this yourself, I'm going to do a guide. I'm actually going to film a guide in about 10 seconds as soon as I finish this video. This is just a quick look, just to show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to break it down into the different components. There's the launcher, there's the widgets, and then I'll point you guys towards the image files, and also I think I might have a Photoshop template somewhere, so you can actually make your own tiles like this. Just to give you an idea, you can see their widgets, which you just resize to fit the screen. So that's, I'm calling it Slatz UI. I don't really know what to call it. It's sort of a Windows Phone 8 type thing. I think it looks kind of nice. It's quite minimalist, but at the same time, I think it looks quite functional, and it looks good on a tablet. I think it looks alright on the phone, but on a tablet, I'm really liking this. So that's just a quick look at Slatz UI, and I'll put a link in the description to the guide which I'm about to film. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys next time.